Hi there. Let me show you really quickly how you're going to create your logo using Canva. You're going to create a free account. This should not cost you anything. So create a free account with Canva. Once you've done that and you're logged in, you're going to see a screen something like this. What I want you to do is search for logo, and it will come to this screen with a lot of different templates. The main thing you have to remember to do is over on the left, sort based on the free logos. Some of them are going to have a charge for them. They might be part of the premium. I don't think that, oh, it did connect. Okay. And then all you're going to do is scroll through these. These are templates that have a wide variety of different designs, color schemes, text, fonts. All of these things are really varied. So find one that you think matches closely with the brand that you envision for yourself. And they are all very editable. I'm going to randomly just click one here and give you a very quick tour. So let me show you. This is, okay, I clicked on something for Jennifer Wilson. That's not going to work for me. So let me edit it and put my name in here, Sarah Bray. So you can see this is really intuitive. You can edit, you can change. You can change the colors as well as the font, change sizes, play around with this, have some fun. If you have a creative side to you, definitely take advantage of that and create something that's really unique. If you're more comfortable using the templates, that's great as well. Just make sure you find something that matches the brand and the message that you want to communicate to your customers. Once you've created your logo, click download. And a PNG is fine. I'm going to download it. And it is gone probably to my downloads folder. So I'm going to open up my file. I have this great little logo that I just created for you in about 30 seconds. Let me save that. I'm going to save it as an image, and I'm going to plunk it on my desktop. Call it logo. And then that's all you have to do. You're going to complete the branding worksheet. The very last step is creating the logo. It's going to take you a little bit longer, I suspect, because you'll put a little more effort and thought into what you're doing. And then you just submit this logo in that branding worksheet. Save it because you're going to use it for your pitch presentation. And if you're actually launching this business, you're going to use it for social media, for your business website, putting it on your invoices, everything else that you're going to do for your business. It's going to be a cornerstone of your brand. So that's it. That's how you use Canva. I can't wait to see your logos.